Here we go. Did not print today. Yeah, that's right. I'm down literally $1,000 today in just options because I've got HUT, which I'm down a little bit. Should have sold yesterday. I was up 65, but didn't do it. So welcome to YOLO Hour. You can and will lose money in YOLO Hour. It's not financial advice. In fact, it's the opposite way to trade. We FOMO into stocks. We FOMO into face rippers. We FOMO into just plain rockets. We're looking for stocks that are on a big green candle rocket ride, and we FOMO in, and we can get out. Now I use Robinhood because I can find the face rippers faster, and then I paper trade on the YOLO because of my tax status. Like I've just figured out that I'm probably gonna be owed $25,000 just because of I can't count off losses. So that is the reason why. All right, so here we go. We're off. We're making get everything straight. We're moving. So I also have in the background, if y'all hear a woman's voice, that is the AI coming from another channel. That it's a voice that calls out the rockets. So here we go. DOGZ grinding up 4% today, looking strong. Not a lot. I'm not seeing a lot of grinders today. DOGZ is one, AVAN is one, QTT has just quit. Literally was about 5%. Now it's positive. DWAC still strong at 19% up for the month. It was up 500 and now it's just up 300. So looks to be going to hold right around that 300% gain. MNDY cleared the tower, went to about 404, and Monday has done a pivot and pullback. We'll get off of that one. We'll move on. Moving through here fairly quickly now. Sometimes this will make your eyes bleed, but that's what we do in YOLO. What's up, Mercy? Good to see you, brother. Let's go. Hey, Mercy, I got an AI. You might hear this girl in the background call something out. That's the AI. All right, AES. We're jumping on AES. Boom, AES. Looks like it's a face thing. Wants me to log in for some reason. I'm not logging in. Nothing. Why do I gotta log in now? That ain't fair. It's making me log in. Come on. Oh, jeez. Oh my God, you gotta be kidding me. Really? Really? This is being recorded too. Phenomenal. No, that's my login. Why are you not taking my login? And I'm paper trading. Geez, you got to be kidding me. All right, we're going to do this on Robinhood then. All right, we're going to go to one. Let me see if I can. Gosh dang it, unbelievable. All right, there. We're in. All right, let me get back to it. Sorry, guys. Lord of mercy, what is going on? Bad way to start the YOLO. All right, gotta pull these bad boys in. AES has got to get a good fill there. Mercy, so SYTA on it. SYTA. What are we looking at here? It's got to clear the tower here. We got to clear the tower, but we're close. I'm loving that one. Turn on my AI. Mercy's good to have you here, brother. Good to have you here. MC SD or CDA. Nope. GRTS. Gridstone.
Now over the $9 level, that's up more than 200% for the session. Very large bar.
Not sure if that's going to work out for me. This thing being loud like that. Let's go. All right. Move there fairly quickly. Sorry, Mercy, for the technical difficulties. Look at RDUS at Pump Force yesterday. Looks like it is sideways. Looks like it wants to turn over. The RNA is cleared. It's gone positive and it's still grinding up. So we'll see what we get into there. VRDN looks like it went big. It has done the pivot and the pullback and looks like it to be in a drawdown. ALWT, OLWT looks like it wants to go parabolic, but AVTX does want to go parabolic. Oh, we got turned down though. Did the pivot and the pullback. We would have got maybe 1% out of that, so that's probably a good thing for us. Did not last long. So we will continue to move through here very, very quickly. HUMA. HUMA's been wanting to run all day. HUMA. I was doing some paper trading before and testing out the AI, and HUMA was one of the ones that we got long in, and HUMA did actually make some money for us. I like HUMA actually. When I get a fill there, give me a fill. Give me the fill. I need the fill so I can jump in. All right, gonna just move on very quickly. See if there's any other rockets firing off, any other things. Going parabolic backed. Been grinding up all day. This thing will turn up again. It's up 25%. It was clearly up yesterday. It ran hard yesterday. We got about $85 out of back yesterday. IRNT, is that one? IRNT is up, but it is gone sideways now. Has not pulled up. I need people. There's HUMA again. Lulu grinding. Looks like it might turn over. It's just up 1%. Looks like it was up 6%. Backed is again phenomenal day for backed again. KVL phenomenal day for it as well. It had a look at BGI going big again. Oh, got turned down. We'd have gotten 5% if I'd have gotten that. If it did a pivot and a pullback, it may come online again, which is what we're going to have to watch for continually, because there's not going to be a lot of there may be some rockets here at the very least. What's the overall market doing right now? Yeah, everything's turning over, which I told the guys when I went live on TikTok, not literally 1 hour ago, that I'm scared that things are either one going to take off or two going to sell off. And damn if the sell-off isn't happening. And my options, you can see that I am down almost $1,000 in options. That's really $400 from one option. So I'm really down about 500. Still not a good place to be for me. GBDC, that means the Bitcoin looks like it may be moving up here. Let's take a look. I got 58.7. I don't see it moving up. It's down 5% in 24 hours. It needs to get above that 60 pretty quick. To keep the momentum going, keep that RSI strong, as we always talk about. Mercy, are you seeing anything at all going off? I'm trying to get down here at the bottom. There's DATS not doing much today. Expo, ZH is grinding. Staff did go off today. We actually made some paper money on that as I was testing out the AI. Still looking here. You can run. Got to clear 520. It's at 519. Does not have a lot of volume though, so I'm not going to be just all over that one today. It's just not the day for it. It's going to need more volume. It seems like the volume of the market's down. It just seems like that to me. I don't know that to be true. Fact check me, but I don't feel like it's true. I'm not seeing any. We're back where we were at GBDC. Neuro's headed down. Tasha is even. REPH is holding 6% gains. ANIX is holding 7% gains. Nice to see that. AEHR, I've heard people say that it's going to run. I have yet to see it. Goog having a hell of a 6% all-time high, about to cross over in that $3,000 level. It's already $1 trillion company. I don't even know what market cap that would. AFIB looks like a perfect base setting up 1% though. It still needs to do a little bit more work for us as we push through here even more. AGC grinding just went positive, needs a clear tower still. INVZ is directionally sideways. What else we got here? Come on, let's go. Where's that magic at? LCI looks like it wants to push. LCI wanted to push, then it did the pivot, slight pullback. We'll get in there fairly quick. I'm gonna just roast your eyes. You got anything on Shiba? I'm looking up 60. Hey, just what I said in the TikTok. I was on there for like an hour and a half, and let me tell you, the TikTok is all about the Shiba Inu. Here it is. I don't like it. Never have liked it. Never will like it. That's not the point. I'm not trying to be right. I'm trying to make money. So I got in about 2 months ago, and then I put some in last night. I've got about $3,000 in it, and that's with profits. So yeah, when something is going parabolic, you don't not get in. Not just one that's gone parabolic in one day, but it's been over several days, really months now, right? So I don't see how you can't be in it. Again, don't like the coin, don't like the management, don't like how they go about things, don't like the scam. It's an asymmetrical trade. But again, I'm not trying to be right. I'm trying to make some money. That's it. Just like in YOLO here. Same exact principle, right? Is that it's a rocket ride. You got to strap in and just make sure you're not the last one walking out the door holding the bag. CLXT looks like it wants to run. What do we got? 303. Yes, I'm gonna go CLXT. CLXT. You see if we can get in there. How big? It's not. How big of a stock is that? For $300 is not gonna hurt me. All right, AES is directionally down. We're done with AES. Thank you for your just non-competing. Good Lord. And I'm looking on the 1 minute here at Huma, and it's kind of doing the same thing. I've only got a 10 fill though. So this has been grinding up all day. So looking at CLXT continuing to grow. What was that one that just pointed straight up? What'd I miss? AVTX. That was AVTX pointed straight up. Nope, there it was. Huma. Okay, we're already in Huma. It looks like it could be turning over though. But getting back to the Shiba Inu. What's up, Anik Yellow? Getting back to the Shiba. Yeah, again, I think right now you got to be long crypto. If Bitcoin continues to pump, it's down to 58 today, so we need to make sure that's going to take place first. But look at ENTB had a day yesterday. I heard up 2% today again. Nice. Naked is their CLXT. We just got in. We should be up in that if we got the right fill. But Shiba Inu is an asymmetrical trade. I would not put any money in that you cannot afford to lose. There you go. I said it, and that's how I'm playing it. STEM is up 7%, but is turning over and is directionally bearish. So watch out for it. We're moving through fairly quickly now. What was that one? ALDX may be a runner here pretty soon. Should I sell my bike with weekly calls in what? Let me know what you're selling your bi-weekly calls in. Are you talking about Google? I would say I think Google calls are going to continue to print. So if that's what you're asking, I would, again, not financial advice. What I would do is no, I would not. So MIR, let's go. MIR, let's go. Give me something good. Yep, we're in. MIR, let's see if we can get that fill. How big? It's a 10. I'm not gonna go balls deep yet, but it's a $1,000 fill though. I don't see a lot of. It looks like it's taken off. What kind of volume do we have? I need to get a. It's got the volume though. We need to get a good fill though. We got a decent fill. Now we just need it to continue to rise up. We're at $1,000 in that one. Huma has spit the bit. It is now going the opposite way and not treating us like it should. MIR, good call, Mercy. Thank you very much. Yes, Google. I'd stay long. I'm not sure exactly what Google's doing today. It looks like I just saw it. Look like it was up 6% still. So as long as they keep printing, I keep holding. So what we got here? UUU again. Yep, it pulled back. Don't need you, brother. Don't need you. got to get GBDC. I hope if that's going up, Bitcoin should be pumping, or it's pumping on good news from the SEC, which that would be a little bit quick though. All right, AGC, should we do it? I think we should. Why not? I don't think it's going to run very far, but it tends to pump, and it has pumped before. It is a $13 stock. We'll take $1,300. Huma on its way back up. It still has not cleared me though. And CLXT there it's off my P&L. A bi-weekly call, so I'm a little concerned with the time frame. Well, if you're in the money now and you're concerned, put yourself at ease and sell. There you go, brother. There is no reason to be stressed out when you're in the money. AGC, we got a great fill on AGC. We're up 3, we're up 2, we're up $3 for the whole MIR. I need you to keep printing, buddy. CLXT, I don't know what you're doing, but you need to move. You need to make me understand what you want to do. Do you want to play for this team? Do you want to play for the B team? It's pretty simple. Do you want to go north? Do you want to go south? Figure it out. All right, I think Huma has really spit the bit here. I think actually we're out of Huma, so it's AGCT. All right, I'm on the 1 minute chart. Let me get the 2 minute. It's just now going to the 2 minute. Is it a red candle? There it goes. That's what we need. AGC, keep it going, brother. Keep it pumping. I know you got fans. Just keep it going. BGI is now in a pullback. BGI is now in a pullback. So watch yourself. In AOB, there's a lot of stocks that did good stuff yesterday, not today. When I say good stuff, that means they pumped, or that they were up, or they grinded up. Again, what's the market? It's got to be good Lord. We are in a phenomenal turn down. This is a drawdown now. We're off session. We're lower than session lows, except for the Nasdaq is up 44. Let's see if we can get a little bit of. We should get a little bit of a pump towards the end though. But a lot of these stocks are just not going to do anything for us today. That's why we need to move through here quickly and get what we can get, and then get out. What's my P&L look like? 550 down. Damn it. Yeah, it just went straight down, and that is not the stock's fault. That is just, golly, what is up? If AGC wasn't printing, we'd be in a world of hurt. Let's hope AGC holds tight. It's still green. Something's going on with AGC. We're gonna stick with it. We stick with our winners, LCI. Looks like it's turned sideways is what it did. Did a little pivot, little pullback. Well, it's not the pullback yet, but it's certainly not a parabolic ripper like it was a couple of days ago. CLXT looks like it may have turned back up. I'm not sure if I want to join that head fake club again. STEM, like I said before, is directionally bearish, and it has turned over much like the market. SRG is in the same boat. IONS is in the same boat. ARCT is in the same boat. Wow. This is not going to be pretty today. So if we will be able to spot rockets. CANF, CERS, they're all green, but they're all turning over. If you are in the profit, Anik, you may want to take it. I don't know what Google's doing specifically, but it's probably not good. It's probably pulling back like Privia Health is, right? That's just my take. HUT's pulling back. Look at my options here. Horrendous. Here's my big one. It's MC. My big one's MDY down 435. I'm now down 1,000. I'm probably going to lose even more as we go. And this is the bad things about options. You can't cut your losses in options. I mean, you could sell it at a low price, but it's not like common stock. Look at RDUS holding strong at 4%. Looks like it might be turning over as well, but it is holding strong. VRDN, we already talked about how it did not do anything for us. Continue. Huma is now pivot and a little bit of a pullback. One of the better stocks today. So, like it's not like common shares, but options you can sell that day. But I just opened that position literally 2 days ago. So I'm not selling it. I've got a little bit of time to make it back up, but down $400. Now it was a $950 option, so I've lost 50% in one day, which is not effing good. So if there's any option pros out there, let me know how you would play that if you're down 50% one day, or sorry, the next day, if you would. What's up? ATXS not doing much. Looks like you. Again, it's undecided what it wants to do. All right, and AGC, it may pull back up here. That's the 1 minute. AGC's got some growing pains. It's got to digest this big move up. So I can stick it out a little longer here. Not much, but a little longer. Dominic, what's up, brother? That's right. Also, you not only double down, you double up to catch up. It's one of the sayings I use it, or I use it now, but in Vegas, if I get down I don't know, like 200, 300, 400 bucks, I start doubling down. Not the smartest move, because you can increase your losses very quickly, especially or really the best thing if you're at the tables is just to get up, walk it off, go get a drink. Actually buy the drink is what an expert told me. Buy yourself the drink, sit there without being at the table, and just reassess where you are. So then get back in the game if you want to, and then you double up to catch up. You might even go to a second table just to get in the right mindset. Tesla is up today, was up big, but now it is directly bearish as well on the intraday. Wow, this is just I've got the bottom twice. Dominic, sheesh. I'll take 100 once. Yeah. I mean, that's the thing. Once if we can get anything today, like I said, AG, so it's climbing back up. It's having some growing pains though. Give me the 2 minute. We'll see what it does here. This is gonna be the make or break candle for me on the two minute. Although it looks like the 1 minute's green as well. This is not good to see this at all, especially at the end of the day. Good Lord, can we find a bottom, please? Maybe we just found a bottom. Nasdaq hit its support, intraday support. S&P has gone the opposite way. Google's still printing. So there you go. SOS is down. Somebody was asking me about that. It's down 7% today. Good Lord. It is a macro sell-off. This has nothing to do with the individual stocks. Double down can kill, but it could also bring you back. Again, not financial advice, and certainly I'm not a gambling man, if you know what I mean. If I go down like 500 to 1,000 in Vegas, that's it for me. I'm out. I will not play again. I'll just go drink. I'll hit a bar or whatever and do my thing there. But yeah, I get 1,000 down. That's it. You kind of got to put yourself on a budget. What's sad is when you see those people at the ATM trying to get cash out, paying $35 just to get cash out. That alone's a full hand. $35 could actually bring you back if you play it right. LCI, what are you gonna do, playa? Literally, you're up 8. I guess you're just protecting it. You're in protection mode. Certainly, you're not in growth mode right now. What else are we seeing here? Good Lord, it is not pretty. This may be the worst day that I've seen in YOLO in over 2 or 3 months. I mean, this is like show 108 or 9, whatever it is. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is pretty bad. PRFX is printing. Anyway, it's just going sideways. Little pain reform. How ironic. I click on PRFX, which is called pain reform. Interesting. Yeah, Mer did not. I got out of Mer. I'm about to get out of AGCT. This might not be. It's just not a good. It's not a good one. It was never a good day to trade to start with. Let's just start there. It didn't start good, right? We thought that the Nasdaq might do its thing. we should see some tail hooks here. So we'll continue to move through here and see if we find some of those. See, the UIHC's got a little tail hook there, but again, it's got to clear the tower. So RDUS has got a little tail hook. I'll jump in on that one. That's what it's all for. RGUS. We're going to jump in. That's a $13. No, is it the 3-cent stock? What is that? It is a $22 stock. Where am I getting that at? So I'm going to buy. We're going to go 50. Boom. Let's go. I don't even know where this is at. What is going on with my? It does not have big. Yeah, it's 371 today, and the average is 6 million shares. It just turned back to. Damn it. I'll give it a few more minutes, but just turned back on me as I just got the fill. In fact, I hadn't even got the fill yet. So there you go. Dang, come on, give me a fill. Oh, I'm in RDUS. No wonder. Well, that might be a good thing. We can press this a little bit. Do I want to get filled here? I think I do. Let's go 50. I could guess it 1,000 deep. We're not balls deep, but we're deep enough for today for sure. LT might do something. Jeez, man. What are we doing here, people? EVAX. Not good enough to take a chance on. It's just not good enough to. So if y'all see anything at all, let me know. Even the good grinders, we will take a look. We just got our fill in RDUS. It's an even fill. It looks like it's still moving up slightly, ever so slightly. We're not up much, if at all. Excuse me, man. Yeah, I had a long night last night. We had a rain come through. LT again out. Now it wants to run. I should I just jump in now. 390. I'm gonna try LT. I'm gonna go real light to OWLT. I'm gonna buy. We're just buying 10 shares, so it's not gonna hurt us. But I'm gonna keep an eye on it in the P&L. That's what I do. I just buy lightly there. Good day to buy a GPM call. It's a good day to buy a lot of calls right now. I mean, you know the market's going to go back up at some point, right? So there you go. So let me, in fact, speaking of calls, since we got some time here, yeah, this is why mine's not printing. Look at that. 503, and my call is at, I want to say 50 at 512. Good gosh, and it lost $5 to $6 today. That's hurtful. It's very hurtful. Yes, it is. I am back under the $1,000 mark, so I'm at 973 as a loss. Look at who's trying to push up here. There's a lot of red rockets, if you know what I mean, heading the right way. They're just red. They got to clear the tower. But there may be some beta there that we might can get out of those if they've gone way down, like if they're down like 10 and they're now trying to push up. You might get a little bit. Look at the STG up 7%, holding gains, not turning down at all. Very strong day for it. It's been a while. So, wow, just moving through here is just, it's almost freaking depressing, you know? We need some more green on the FinViz. We are getting a big green, so it's pushing back up. Those are 15-minute candles. Wow. What a day. What a day in the markets. It's going to be all over our UNCY. UNCY has got the rocket. Let's FOMO into that. Let's see if anybody else follows us in. It's a $2 stock. I'll do $100. RDUS is not, it's just not moving. I don't know why. The volume is right now, it's at 13,000. 13,000 is on the green. The red's 8. Let's see what it does. Hopefully we get a good feeling. UNCY. UNCY. But the thing about it is just, it's got some volume today. Maybe it'll actually do something, because the time we saw it, was it yesterday or the day before, it did not do a thing. In fact, it was a head fake, and we lost. My ABTX is definitely bearish right now, and it is falling off a cliff. So is AES. Wow. AES, one of our first stocks that we got in YOLO, is now falling off a cliff, and that is how it goes. Lulu's doing the same, about to go negative, being in negative territory. You never want to see that, especially for everybody's favorite spandex closet, Lulu. No, I'm just kidding. It's not spandex. I don't really know what it is, but I like it. I like it. There we go. All right. Lit B wants to run here. Did not clear the tower barely, but then it got her pushed back. So we'll just let that roll. All right. Sorry for the yawns, guys. What went wrong? OPAD. Nice. I'm just going to go right to it. OPAD. Yes, nice. We'll go balls deep. 500 shares. Boom. There we go. We're $3,500 in now. Here we go. We're going to make some noise. Just keep going. Give me a good fill. OPAD, give me a good fill. Al, I'm going to get out of you because I don't need the headache, one. And I've got RDUS. Looks like it's going to start printing. UNCY is doing its thing. We got a $4 in at UNCY now. OPAD, we're in even. We got to move up here, guys. Got to move up. We're up. We're not up at all, in fact. Keep going. There we go. There's 61, 80, 580, 561. Come on. 61 is a very important number, by the way, guys. That is the Fibonacci extension. 81. It's pushing there. There's 10. We are now positive territory for the day. We're going to get rid of all the what could potentially be headaches. There's RDUS. We're out of you. Appreciate your $1 contribution to the fund. Look at OPAD, OfferPad Solutions moving to 10. Where did I get one? I need another 10 from these guys. Come on, guys. Keep pushing. Let's go. Keep it going. OPAD just went back the other way. I got to stay with it. There's nothing else going on. YOLO. Yeah. YOLO's. Is that a stock? It's a cannabis stock. How funny. Is it going up? Let me look at it. Oh, dude. Cannabis has been the worst this year. It was great last year. And oh, man, I just got a bad. What just happened? OPAD. I should have taken my toys and gone home much earlier than I did on the 2 minute. What's the 1 minute? Still red. I need to push it up to 30 now. I'm down 35. It's been worse. Close out. But the thing about it is there's just not a lot of rockets going off. UNCY's printing for me. Now it's not. Now I'm down 59 with that because I can't get out of OPAD. Come on, man. Just go back up a little bit. See, hopium is not a strategy. And clearly that's what I'm doing. I got out with 36 because UNCY's doing. Let me get out UNCY as well. One, I just think it's a head fake. So let's do that. ALT, I should be getting out of any time now. The fill is horrible. The sell is worse. So here we go. Moving back through here. One day it'll be great. Trying to open a store in VA. Nice. Hey, I completely agree with you. I'm just telling you that the stocks have not done well. Last year that they did really well. No, they should rename the industry because the stocks have done so bad. No, I'm kidding. Look at this one. Oh, we're gonna clear the tower. Limelight at 199. It's 182. Sorry, 282. I want to say this one. Limelight wanted to run the other day. LLNW, right? It's Limelight. We're just gonna buy 10. Our simple 10. That's a $20 fill. Not gonna get us back anytime soon. But if this thing starts to run, we are already in it and ready to rock and roll. DWAC it's done well today, right? Yeah. It was up 13. Dang. Yeah. At least you're up 13. You were up 22. So congrats, because there's a lot of people like myself. Look, I'm down 980 today. Not a good day for the options. Again, that's why I don't do a lot of options. I'm still trying to figure a lot of it out. Not a lot of it, but just more along the Greeks, right? I just need to figure that out. And then, I think I've got the right technical analysis. I'm in the right stocks, if you would. I just got to figure out basically the time frames, right? That's really what I need to figure out. And I'm sure we're all like that. Our BGI just turned up and it wants to go big. We've seen it go a bit bigger. It's already pumped once. It's Burke's Group. If you don't know, I am balls deep. I am 500 deep in that bad boy. So we will see what kind of fill we get. Hopefully it's a good one. LLNW is not moving. And if it is, it's going to move red. And be a little red rocket down. Straight to the core of Earth. But anyway, looking here, it's just not a lot going off here. PRFX, again, grinding. Meds just went positive. It's up 1%. Looking at GBC grinding. Moving through here. What's Atil, you tell me, because we're not seeing a lot at all. This may be one of the worst YOLO hours. We are down $35, $38. Still trying to get a fill in BGI. Oh, geez, it didn't fill it because I didn't hit the buy button. Gosh, dang it. And now it's probably on the way down. So we're going to be even down more. There is nothing working right now. The bullets, not a lot of bullets in the chamber right now. We've got BGI just literally down $3,500 just like that on the fill. Very bad fill. Probably one of the worst fills that we've had. But I had $3,000 just because I'm balls deep in it. Limelight's not even moving. Figure I should probably just get out of that one because, I need some serious movement, even with 10 shares. 35 down. Does this get worse? It does get worse. It's about to get a lot worse. Oh, Lord. Hopium, 85 down, 123 down. Should I buy more? No, we should not buy more. We got to get out. That's just insane that it went. Oh, my gosh. Now I get a green chart. Well, at least I'll get out with a little bit less. Sorry, a green candle, not a green chart. The 1 minute's got a green candle. Let me stay on the 1 minute here. All right, I've got no bullets in the chamber. If anybody's got anything, I'm open to it. Literally, we're almost 40 minutes into the session and down 100 points. Much like my options down 1,000 today. Down 1,000. Never thought I'd say I'm down on options at 1,000. All right, let me see. Let me turn up the AI speaker here and see what she's calling out as far as what's moving. All right, Dare is grinding. Not on a rocket ride, though. Nice little grind. Our cat can't tell what it's doing there. It looks like it's positive, but it's got to clear a little bit more of a tower. What's my little AI saying? PDFS? No. Back up we go. Dang it. Where's that magic? As my kid says, we've got to find that magic. And then we got to get a GHRS on a rocket. I'll ride that one. GHRS, why not? GHRS. We've got to go balls deep. Got to, right? We're down. Oh, I got out pretty good on BGI. In fact, let me look at the BGI because that looked like, yeah, it's got a green candle. So we actually got out. So we're just down 50, which is not hard to, well, it's today it might be a little tough to overcome 50 today. since like most days I only make about 35. So we're gonna have to get big and bold today. We need to be emboldening. What's the market doing? Is it coming? It's trying to come back. It is trying to come back a little. Well, boy, what a strange ride today has been in the macro. Wow, interesting. All right, LT still doing. Oh, look out! AVTX, is it one to run again? We're jumping in. AVTX, we've seen it run before. AVTX can run, and boom. Here we go. That's my AI guy talking to me about earnings. I found this channel that I tuned into and just see if it can help me. All right, AVTX. We got. Let's see what the fill is. Now it's head faked us before, but it's also been good to us before too. AVTX was a insider trade that we actually did a 1 day call on because we caught it right before close, and it did very well for us. That's how it made it's made the whatever you want to call it, the stocks to watch list, right? So with that being said, I could use about 5 more of those bad boys right now. The fill was why did I get fill on GHRS? Did I not? Good God, what is going on, people? Today has been a complete cluster F. If you don't, my French is, I'm just so. Did I not get filled in BB? I didn't get filled in BIG or whatever it was. I've got to go back. Not good, people. Not good. OCGN. Let's go. I'm flying blunt by OCGN. Know it well. It is moving. I'm going to go 100 here. See if I can add to this on a green candle up. Let's get a good fill here. It looks like it's falling. GHRS. I should be shorting that thing anyway. Get out of my P&L. OCGN. Nice little pump. Did a nice pump. Now can it fight it on the AVTX? Got it even. It's pump. It's, I don't know if it's got the volume or not. What kind of volume are we looking at? 1900. So GH did have volume at all. That's why it's not moving. And OCGN's got volume, I know. Look at that, 400,000, 200,000. Just give me some green candles and let's move on OCGN. Good call, Dominic. Thank you very much. My take on Amazon. Take on Amazon is it's literally even for the year, right? I just think you stay like I wouldn't be doing calls. I wouldn't be doing options on Amazon for sure right now. But we are going into the Christmas season. You know people are going to be shopping online because of the Delta and whatever else. People want to get out. Don't look at Dare. Dare. This is a good one for us. DAR. We will go balls deep in Dare and see what we can pull out of that. I'm still 30 down. Why am I not getting out of GHRS? Literally, just a ridiculous. All right, Dare. I'm in. I should have gone for 1,000 shares because it's just a dollar stock. Amazon. Getting back to Amazon. What I would do with Amazon is I would, if you're in the stock, I stay long. It's just you're just gonna have to ride that out. But we are coming into a good season. Fourth quarter earnings for it are probably going to be very good. Again, you got Delta. There are a lot of people that still don't want to get out. So there's that whole thing. I do think malls will be packed this year, which is good. So, it's, and now we've got these kids vaccine shots. I really don't even know where I stand on that yet. To me, it's probably wait and see, but going back to that, I think Amazon, again, it's in almost every tech ETF, it's going to be in that. So, I just don't think you can be sure. I think it's a long-term play. It's one that you play long-term. That's it. ATNX. We missed it. We missed out on about 0.2. So I've got Bloomberg on. They're blaming or it looks like this ETF manager over at Quadratic is blaming the market today on bad earnings yet to come out. So that's what the headline says. I'm not listening to it, so to speak. So just so you know, just so if you're looking to play the earnings game, I'm not sure that's a real good play today. And the bonds are rallying as well. And when bonds rally, that's typically not good for growth stocks, which is what we play the most, right? So understand how all that works. Now, REPH wants to get turned down at the tower. It's an intraday high, and we are back at the top and going to grind down pretty quickly here. MMTLP wants to run. It needs to clear. It just went positive, but not positive by much. So AVTX is trying to fight back. Are we still in AVTX? Somehow I'm still in GHRS, and I don't understand why that's not getting me out. Dare is, I don't know what Dare is doing. Like legit, what are you doing? That's the 1 minute and the 2 minutes. It's literally sideways as sideways can get. Let me just get what I can and get out. I'm down 68. I was down 120, so I fought back a little bit here. OCGN's helping a lot. OCGN's got its first red candle in about 20 minutes. So looking for that GBT. Looking at GBT now. GBT from the Mercy Me. What are we going here? We got to go balls deep. We got to make it up. GBT, red candle, and then we should see a green. That's how it's played this uptrend here. Let's see what we can do. All right, GBT just got a bad fill at 55 because it's on the way down. If we can just push up here, that'll be good. Get me out of Dare. I should be getting out of Dare very quick. And AVT, same thing here. It is sitting on the intraday, basically support. GBT is moving up as I'm not, look at HRS. I went short and I'm up 190 on it. Now we just need to get out. I'll take the short. I don't like the short in YOLO Hour, but hey, all things are good in love and war. There we go. If you want to fall, I'm going to short you. All right, GBT, what are you going to do? Make a decision. AVTTX, you need to make a decision too. I'm on the 2 minute there. It looks like it might climb. So we are up. We are now up in YOLO. Now I'm down 72. I just lost a big player. GBT has gone positive though. At $16,000 fill, I'm up $10. I'm risking $16,000 to make 10. Not a good risk reward. Just letting you know. Now it's up 40. I need to continue to climb here just one more time. Give me back to even. OCGN I do not know what it wants to do here. It is clearly in a pivot. Maybe I'll pull out of that. Focus on the 55 and the GBT. Now remember, it filled at 50 down. Now I'm 55 up. So we're only down 30. We can make that up here in the last 12 minutes. We're up 80 now. I'm just down 7. Give me another one. Just come on. Push right here. Just push. It's like we're having a baby. Push. Keep pushing. I need the push. I need a little bit more momentum behind it. I wonder what the relative strength is there. I kind of want to go see because I want to go positive and then I want to get the dude. All right, here's now it's got some volume coming in. No, it doesn't either. All right, we're gonna take that one and say thank you very GGBT. Good one, Mercy. Thank you very much, sir. AVTX. I don't know what you're doing. I can't short you. I thought I gotten rid of you. GBT. We're out at 105. We should be up 17 if that clears. We should be up 17. It will be a positive 17. That's better than my options have done. My real options. Oh, Lord, what a hell of a day. GBDC, why do I keep saying GBTC? It is trending up. Is crypto doing anything at all? It's going up. So it's up at 58.4 now. So it's done a little lip up, which is I'll take anything right there in crypto because we need it. AVTX is turned down. What else do we see? There was one. RNW, is it one RNW wants to run? RNW, we'll run with it. How big is it? It's $9. I'm positive 7. We'll go 100. We'll go 700 deep on this one. AVTX, I still don't get. Just leave me alone. Get off my P&L. I need you to get out of my P&L. I bet that's going to send it short. Let me get the fill in RNW, which is still printing, by the way. When did it's still going up? Go. Get the 4%. Get the 4% here, and I'll jump out on the opposite end, knowing that I've got. Oh no. Keep printing. Go to 338, 331. I'd like to see. I bet we did not get a good fill over here, and we did. We're $9 on RNW down. I knew we weren't going to get a good fill. Still stuck at 303 now. It's going sideways. Not a good look, Maddox. Need to run. What else we seeing? Just got out of Brendan, did you make any on SYTA? Because I think Mercy had called that one out, and it was going sideways for us. That was at the very beginning of YOLO. So let me know if you made anything there. And Mercy, you let me know as well if you made anything there. I'd be I want you guys to make some money, especially if I'm not, right? Good gosh, there's clearly enough cash to go around. We just need to find some winners right here. We got 9 minutes. The session ends. We're looking for YOLO Rockets face rippers. If you made nice, Brendan says that he made a profit in SYTA. Congratulations to him. He might just get a hat for that because it's a horrible day for me. Why not just give more away? So looking through here, I'm not seeing any face rippers, no rockets, no parabolic, no greenwood, no nothing, no sequoia trees. You get the drift. I'm not seeing it. See what the P&L's doing. P&L's now back positive. Avello, I went short, and that has, me going short has done it all. We'll close out R&W. Might as well short it too. A little punk ass. All right, moving through here. Let's go. Unsee is undecided. Kind of fittingly, DGLY did not clear the tower. Well, it did clear the tower, and then it did a pivot and a pullback. We're back up to the top, and we're moving now. CPSS not doing. I thought it was going to go. It's not. It's just not. It's not going to go. All right, let me get down to the bottom here to my GOED. I'm just going to YOLO in. GOED. Let's go. Go Decker. Can move too. We know it well. Let's go. Now, isn't that ironic? Let's go. Go Decker. Go ED. That's not something that you really want to say out loud. Go ED, you know? Yeah, that's not something you want to say out loud. Now, is Gutter going to give me a good fill? That's the thing. Let me look at GOED on the Robinhood. It gives me a... well, I hadn't cleared the tower, but I'll take it. It's at 1. So I'll take the 1%. Come on. Give me a good fill. AVTX is still short. Thought it was out. Apparently not. Go there, gave me a 0 fill. I'm up on AVTX. I thought I got out of there, though. Right? Didn't I get out? My line to myself, Go Decker, don't you do it. I got a lesson up. Go Decker, I need you to move up. Just move up. Just one more. Get above the high. Get above that 314. Not 3. Get above 314. 314. We're looking for 315. Or 3.2 would be great. All right, so there's the one. We're sitting on it. So we got to fill. That's a big fill. All right, let me see if I can get out of here with a profit. I'm not trusting Go Decker, although maybe I should after it's pushing now. It's not letting me out, so maybe I'll get a good out there. We're up $5. Beer of the day. I don't really have a beer of the day. Oh, Schlitz. Schlitz was nice. Mercy got a little profit today. Nice for you, Mercy. Congratulations, buddy. It looks like I might get out of here basically even. No, I'm up 7 with nothing left in the chamber. I got 6 minutes. So I'm still going to look, see if I can better that though, because I'm always wanting to get better. I'm like, Tom Brady. I'm wanting to get better every year at 44 years old. It's crazy how he's literally almost my same age. I can't look at Spy right this second. I'm looking for rockets, sir. Looking for those big green sequoias. So I'm looking for it. I'm moving here quickly. Now, there's a grinder here. No, that's GBD. Why is GBDC it's not head faking me. It's just, what was that one? Unsi. Unsi is gone the wrong way. Pond, let's go. Give me some. If you guys got anything, let me know. GHRS is literally just fell off a cliff. We're at 725, feeling good. Just because, it's a positive on a negative day. What is the overall market doing? It is fell off a effing cliff. In fact, NASDAQ is about to go negative. Not a good day for anybody. If you got out of today as a positive, congratulations. Brady in with Tesla now. No, he's in with Hertz. Hertz that bought the 100,000. It ordered 100,000 Teslas. But yeah, Brady was not a fan of his until he left the Patriots. Last year I became a fan, and then just learning more about him. And he's into crypto. How can you hate the man? A professional athlete in crypto. There's not a lot, right? There's a couple of basketball players, not a lot of football players. He's one of them. He is a spokesman for FTX. Not a big fan of that trading platform, but I know a lot of big professional crypto traders that really do love that platform. It's on your phone too if you want to trade it. That's FTX. Looking at. Are you guys seeing anything else? Let's go. Give me something. We got 4 minutes left. 4 minutes. I'm trying to figure out what we're going to do here. Come on. Give it to me. What was that? Yeah, BGI did its 19. Now it's directionally bearish, but still up 19. Well, it did its 23. Now it's up 19. So still a good day for the BGIers. If I could say it that way, if that's even like a word. Cavill up 20%. It's grinding down though, but that's a nice little grind down, letting people out easy. It didn't fall off the cliff like a lot of these are. AVTX not on a run either, and I'm not. RNW has turned sideways like it did. Still looking for MMTLP. No, that's the Matt preferred shares. I did Matt today. Matt does not look good on a chart. So if you're playing that, I'd be playing it short term. That's how you really can play it. I guess you could be long term too with the preferred shares. So, but anyway, good gosh, what is that one? We're not even having any turn up right here. We got 2 minutes in the session. 2 minutes left in the session. Moving through it now quickly. Let me know if your eyes are bleeding today, because mine are. Because I think this is the most times I've gotten down to the bottom of the stocks to watch list more than 5 times. And we've done it almost, well, this will be 6 if we get down there before the close, which it looks like we probably will. Because there's just not a lot of green. There's just not. It's a very, very bad day for stocks. Again, if you got out with a profit, BRLT, there we go. I don't have to look it up. BRLT. BRLT. Now, this is going to make or break me right here, because we're getting in. Boom. There's the fill. We're up 7. Can it go green? Can it go green here? BRLT. It's what we do. What's the fill? Give me the fill. Oh, long green. Now that wick was up. The red wick was up. The 2 minute is green. It's going to be all about the fill here, and here it is. We're coming down to it. Can I not get a fill before close? Good Lord, we're up 7. We're up 7. We're up 7. Come on, VRLT. Where's the fill? Weeble, you're effing me. I need the fill to understand where I'm at. CLXXT actually just continued to grind up. We got in at 18. It's up 20 now, so it's pretty good for it. Do you ever live stream open? There has been like 100 people ask me that. Man, I believe me, I want to. I want to live stream open because that can get there's some crazy ass that goes on there too. Probably more. I say this is the most insane hour is the last hour, but it's truly probably the open because you get the orders from yesterday that roll in. And what kind of fill did I get? $1 fill. I'm good. Nice. I'll get out of that really quick and take my $8. That give me a pizza and a couple of beers of that schmaltz malt or Schlitz malt liquor. But going back to the open, the thing about it is, I would do it. I've got a squid though, so I can't get in here. So that would put me in here at 8:30. There is some prep, so I'd have to be here at 8. Which is what most normal jobs is. I get it, but I've got a squid now, and my wife works as well, so it would be a hit and miss type of thing. So that's what sucks about that, right? And to do anything and to gain any kind of following at the open, like if we did YOLO Open, I can't just do it, a couple of days a week. It's something that you got to stick to. So maybe we'll see what happens the next couple of weeks. Maybe we'll see. So, all right, YouTube, I really appreciate you guys. It is, we are now closed for business. I got my guys on TikTok here. They're rolling with the Shiba. Got to go explain that one. Squid. That's my kid. That's why Squid Games is called Squid, right? Because it's kids. So yeah. So got to take the squid to school sometimes, the whole 9 yards. So anyway, guys, Mercy and Brendan make profit day. Congratulations to you guys. That's awesome. I did as well, but mine's paper trading. You guys actually did the work. So congratulations to you and really took the risk. So, all right, with that being said, YouTube, I appreciate you guys being here. Mercy, it's always a pleasure. Anik, my man, stay with me in the chat. Dominic, thank you very much. Always a pleasure. Thank you for throwing down today with me. It's always a pleasure. Atil, thank you. Kimberly, you're awesome. Stick with it. If you have any questions, jump on the TikTok live stream. I will be sure to answer yours. Again, Brendan, thank you very much. Teal, there you go. And that'll be it, guys. I will see you tomorrow for YOLO. It's Wednesday today. Tomorrow is Thursday. We're going to have a better day tomorrow. I just feel like I feel like tomorrow's going to be a bounce back day. Now, will we be up 400 points? Probably not, but it is going to be a bounce back day. I just kind of feel that with there's so much earnings coming out, so you got to feel good about that. We just need to get into some stocks that have good ones coming out, and that'll set the tone for the entire market tomorrow. With that being said, guys, watch your six. You go hard in the paint. We will see you tomorrow. Thanks, guys.